Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and healthy grilled tomato salad. This salad is perfect for a light lunch or as a side dish for your dinner. So let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to need 4 large tomatoes, 1 red onion, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper to taste, 1/4 cup of fresh basil leaves. The first thing you want to do is to slice your tomatoes into thick slices. You don't want them to be too thin or they'll fall apart on the grill. Next, slice your red onion into thin rings. Now, it's time to heat up your grill. You want it to be hot, but not too hot, or your tomatoes will burn. Once your grill is hot, place your tomato slices and onion rings onto the grill. Let them cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until they're nice and charred. Once your tomatoes and onions are grilled, transfer them to a plate and let them cool down for a few minutes. While your grilled vegetables are cooling down, let's make the dressing in a small bowl. Mix together the olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt, and pepper. Now, chop up your fresh basil leaves. It's time to assemble our salad. Place your grilled tomatoes and onions onto a plate, then drizzle the dressing over them. Sprinkle the chopped basil leaves on top. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy grilled tomato salad. This salad is perfect for any occasion, and it's so easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes like this one.